Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fabric softener that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 9 Elements Laundry Purifying Softener Liquid. If you prefer eco-friendly household products, consider adding the plant-based 9 Elements Purifying Softener to your laundry routine. The brand keeps its ingredient list to 9 or fewer items, resulting in an effective product without artificial dyes, thickening agents, brighteners, or preservatives. This fabric softener also bears the EPA Safer Choice label, which certifies that it's safe for you and the environment. Instead of a laundry list of chemicals, this fabric softener uses vinegar, a powerful natural ingredient for cleaning, to remove odors and residue from clothes, leaving them soft and fresh. And there's no need to worry about a lingering vinegar smell. The eucalyptus and lemon scents imbue your clothes and linens with a refreshing, light scent. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Gain Odor Plus Defense Liquid Fabric Softener Original. Your detergent can do most of the dirty work to remove stains and odors, but a fabric softener like Gain Plus Odor Defense can ensure that you eliminate every stench and replace it with an invigorating, long-lasting scent. While some fabric softeners just cover up odors, Gain Plus Odor Defense attacks unsavory smells and eliminates them completely. This pick is available in Super Fresh Blast Scent, Moonlight Breeze, and Tropical Sunrise. Each scent is formulated without dyes, which is great for sensitive skin. At number 3, we have the Downy Wrinkle Guard Liquid Fabric Conditioner. If you want to simplify your laundry day, you might love this Downy Wrinkle Guard Liquid Fabric Conditioner. It wrestles wrinkles into submission so you can ditch the iron and clothes steamer. Plus, the all-day, in-wear technology keeps creases and wrinkles at bay by relaxing fibers, protecting your wardrobe against fuzzing, fading, and stretching. While we're all about the wrinkle release ingredients, this Downy pick also has a signature fresh scent. If you're not a fan of fragrance though, it's also available in an unscented version. At number 2, we have the Drops Fabric Softener Pods. If you avoid fabric softeners due to skin sensitivities, Drops Unscented might be the solution to soften clothes without irritation. And while most fabric softeners aren't compatible with moisture-wicking materials like towels and athletic wear, since they can break down the fabric, Drops is safe for all your clothing and linens. The formula is sustainable and cruelty-free, with mineral-based ingredients free of dyes, preservatives, and other harsh ingredients. It also has an A rating from the EWG. We love the convenient no-brainer dosage of these pods. Just add one to the wash. Though we chose this fragrance-free fabric softener because it's safe for sensitive skin, this gentle formula is also available in scented versions. And while this is the most expensive option on our list, you can opt for a subscription refill every 4 months for a discounted price. And finally, at number 1, we have the 7th Generation Dryer Sheets Fabric Softener. If freshly washed laundry is all the scent you need, you'll love these fragrance-free dryer sheets from 7th Generation. These super soft sheets are 97% plant-based and made from recycled materials, according to the brand. Plus, it has a B rating from the Environmental Working Group, EWG. These sheets are not only effective at softening your clothes but also work to reduce pesky static. And while most dryer sheets produce waste after each use, these are compostable, so you can feel good about tossing them in the garbage. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.